And I'm back with another video. As you can see, I am on Pokemon. This is a Pokemon rating thing, a series I'm gonna start. I like a lot of these Pokemon, but I'm doing my top 10 favorite. Then I'm doing my top 10 disliked. Number 1 favorite, Staraptor. I think Staraptor is like a cool Pokemon with like the hair and stuff. I like the design of it. It's kind of, I have no idea what bird it's based on. If you know, comment down here, down underground. But I would love to know. Staraptor is a cool Route 1 Pokemon, I believe. If I'm not Route 1, I haven't played the Sinnoh game, so I'm not completely sure. Trying to avoid them, but I just don't have. I only have the regular Nintendo Switch. But I think Staraptor is a cool Pokemon. Number 9, the Moltres. Moltres reminds me of kind of like a flame, a burst of flames, kind of like a sparkler. Have you seen those? Comment down below. But also, all of the neighborhoods are good. I'm not saying Moltres is the best. All of them are so good. I've used them in Pokemon Let's Go Eevee. I believe I used Zapdos or Articuno to beat Pokemon Let's Go Eevee. I know I also used Charizard, but if you guys want me to do more of these, let me know. My next favorite is actually another one of the leaks for Pokemon Sword and Shield. I don't know its name. Clamont. The leak seems that there's also a fish Pokemon, which I'm not going to reveal yet. That'll be on the next video. So subscribe if you want to see that video. But it's really cool. I think the design of a duck is really cool. Also, I love its like blue coloring. It also kind of reminds, when it goes for a fish, it reminds me of a duck, one of those like snake birds going for a fish. Then this is really good. I'm really good. With somebody here. So it's Torchic. Torchic is a good Pokemon, but this video is about birds. It's basically a chick, and it's still good, but how many have we done? Don't Moltres. I believe this is the third one. The third best. Torchic is good, but Combustion, I'm not doing it by its strongness. It's just my opinion about them. Okay. I'm just covering this up for some of you. Sorry if you've already seen this. Just look away now. It's weird. Yeah. Here's another bird Pokemon I love. It's actually Toucan. The Toucan Pokemon. I love toucans, no doubt, because I love everything in the jungle. I also parrots. So that leads to number 6, Chat Talk. I love how Chat Talk copies voices, kind of like real parrots. And its color scheme is really good. I love it as a Pokemon, but another favorite is Noctowl. Nobody can disagree with me, because Noctowl is actually an owl, and owls are birds. And I love the way it looks. Also, it's shiny. It's so cool. my seventh best, which is cast form. Many people hate it, but I love it. It's so cute. Just so cute. So cute. Oh! Oh! Okay. There's also that goes to number 8. Natu. Natu is a good Pokemon, but Zatu. Yeah. Zatu isn't on the bad list, but Natu is really a cute bird. Next Pokemon, there's Chatot, if you didn't know what that looks like. Next is Lugia. Nobody can disagree. Lugia is a great Pokemon. I mean, number 9 is Lugia. Lugia is a great Pokemon. That's my favorite Pokemon, Darkrai. Darkrai is my favorite of all, but isn't a bird. Hey, if you want me to do ghost types, tell me. Darkrai would be number 1. Because it's my favorite Pokemon. Along with Torterra and Staraptor. But then we have Ho-Oh. The 10th favorite on this list. Ho-Oh is majestic, but I don't really like it kind of reminds me of, I don't want to talk about it. It's kind of a weird bird. It reminds me of, like, a bird on fire because of that looks like fire, exactly. Next, we're going to the worst bird Pokemon, in my opinion. Number 10. Number 1. This is the worst Pokemon. Number 10 worst is Murkrow. Murkrow, its opinion is just like, it reminds me of a witch, but it's mainly, if you sometimes look at its gender thing, it's so high of being a male. You can't disagree. Number 9. The second non-worst. No, number 9 worst is I can't remember. It's Combustion. Combustion is a piece of trash. I would put its opinion as a piece of trash. One's just super strong. Yeah. Number 8, Skarmory. Skarmory is a nice steel type. I like the combination of steel and flying, but steel, when you throw a piece of steel at something that's flying, it doesn't go good. That's all I say. Next is Dartux. Dartux is the full evolution version of Rabbit, but its hairdo just yeah. Okay. Sorry. This is my sister. She'll probably be in some videos. Yeah. Next, ready for my like I was saying, number 8 is Dartux. It's a full evolution of Rabbit, but it reminds me of kind of like, what's that hairdo? It's kind of like Staraptor, but a bad version. Number 7. Swablu. That's his name. Swablu looks like a cloud. Its wings are clouds. How did you even get those clouds? That doesn't make any sense. Number 6. Pidgeot. I'm starting okay. But back to number 7. Pidgeot. I do not like Pidgeot because it's a rip-off. Pidgeot because it's a rip-off from my favorite Pokemon, Staraptor. But Star Evolution line is actually the rip-off. Because look at Staraptor's hairdo and Pidgeot's hairdo. They're basically both the same, and they're both Route 1 birds. Sorry is a Route 1 bird. Pidgey is a Route 1 bird. What the heck? I said, what the heck? That's what I said. Yeah. Then there's number 6. Plinplup. Plinplup. Plinplups are light, but it's weird. Okay. Next, number 5 is Zatu. Zatu is peaceful. It belongs in my toilet at the end of the afternoon. It's so bad. And even in the AMA, it's so weird. It's just like, it's always staring at the sky, basically. Just imagine me looking at all us, looking at the sky all the time. And we could never stop. That would be annoying. Then you couldn't even look down at your favorite piece of food. Number 4. Number 4. Farfetch'd. Farfetch'd did get an evolution for Sword and Shield. Starfetch'd. But Farfetch'd, how did you even get that? It's just so weird how it has a bamboo stick and it's a flying type. Where do you get that bamboo stick? And there isn't even bamboo in Pokemon. Number 3. The Duo. The Duo is this thing without these. Without the long legs and the feathers and the third head. I call them my brother thinks names the Duo. Well, I name the Duo Harry and Jerry. Then once the third one comes, I name him Larry. That's just so weird. I'm weird. But it's so weird. Just so weird. Okay. I believe this is number 3. Dragonite. No. Dragonite. Dragonite is a good Pokemon, but it's just so weird. It's Dragon type and a flying type. A dragon and a flying bird would fight, and the bird would lose. Number 2. This is actually the first one. I'm just gonna say the evolution of Plinplup. They tried it. How could you stop trying it in my head? And that just makes no sense. Let's head to number 1 worst. Number 1 worst of every Pokemon. Here, it's Fletchling. Look at it. It's an orange bird with white eyes. And when it's walking, it looks like it's walking with sticks on the bottom of its feet. What's wrong with it? That concludes this video. If you want to see more, like Shadows, please have more Shadows. There's Darkrai. I feel like a Darkrai because I wasn't so bad in real life. Like this video if you wish Pokemon were in real life. There's one Pokemon I would like to go over with you that is in a Rowan form. Big Pet. No, that's what. I want to go over some of my favorites real quick. It is the 4th favorite of mine. Is of course cool Pokemon because I love cool Pokemon. And Greninja. Greninja would be one Pokemon on my team. in real life. It's really good and cool. But that concludes this video. If you want to see more, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you